So, hello everyone. We will be discussing today the statutory update which has been released by the Institute for the direct taxations. Firstly, we will be going to the amendment with respect to the chapter salaries, wherein the section 17 to 7A has been inserted. So, for understanding this, I have prepared a simple file for this. So basically, this section relates to section 80 CCD. 80 CCD relates to the contribution which is made to the recognized provident fund and approved superannuation fund. Okay, so basically, the contribution is made by employee as well as employer. So the amendment with respect to 17 to 6A has been inserted for the part of employer's contribution, not for the employee's contribution. So basically, the update here is that the amount which has been accredited on the balance in the your provident fund account will be taxed or will be taxed as a perquisite in excess of 7,50,000, which has been contributed by an employer. So for better understanding of this, I have prepared a simple example, or you can say I have just uh, taken this example. Uh, you know, um, this example, this example I have taken, and just try to make you understand in a simple way rather than going through this formula. I have taken this in a simpler way. So let us say that suppose X Limited has contributed 8,50,000 during the previous year. That is, X Limited is the employer, so employer contribution is 8,50,000. Similarly, towards recognized president to the account of Mr. A, and Mr. A had also made an equivalent contribution. That is contribution by an employee. Employee is also 8,50,000. Balance in the recognized provident fund account as on 1/4/2020 is 32 lakhs. So 32 lakhs is an opening balance, and interest accrued, that is accredited in recognized provident fund account, is 3,44,250. So this is an interest accrued amount. So for this, applying this section, firstly, the amount should be exceeding 7,50,000, and that should be the employer's contribution. Okay, so employer's contribution is 8,50,000, and amount exceeding the 7,50,000 would be 1 lakh. Yeah. Okay, so that is simple. 8,50,000 minus 7,50,000 for this. Now, if we see what is the average balance in the recognized provident fund, so we can simply calculate it by the opening balances plus balance as on 31st 3/21. So how this balance has been arised? First of all, we were having the opening balance of 32 lakhs, 8,50,000 made by employee, 8,50,000 made by employer, and this is an accretion in the income. Okay, so 3,44,250, 250 is an accretion. So total comes to 5 lakh, 5 lakh, sorry, 52 lakh 44,250. So if we calculate the, just we need to calculate the proportion of employers in this accretion of the income. ये जो इनकम हमें आई है, ये जो इनकम आई है, इसमें एम्प्लॉयर का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है with respect to increase, with respect to contribution made in excess of 7,50,000. So we are having a simple formula: average contribution of an employer over 7,50,000. We can see that total contribution is made 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh is in total contribution. What is an average? Divided by 2. That is 50,000 is in total contribution. And average total contribution in the fund we have already calculated, which is this. Okay, so simply putting up, this is a formula. That is interest accretion 3,44,250, and what is the employer's contribution in excess of 7,50,000? That is 1 lakh. Taking it to the average, divide by 2, and divide by the average total contribution, which comes to as 4 lakh 4,777. Okay, so this is your proportion of employees contribution which will be taxable as a perquisite in the heads of salaries. Okay, so this same can be checked from here as well. This is the taxable perquisite under section 17 to 7A for the previous year 2021. Okay, so you can just go through this file as well. Okay, so which will be telling regarding the full formulas. You can go through and just compare it. And secondly, if we see, this is all for the first financial year. Okay, that is for financial year 2020 2021 and assessment year 21-22. So this is applicable for this assessment year, which we will be covering. Okay, but what if we are having assessment year 22-23, because these provisions are applicable from 1st of April 2020. So if we see from for assessment year 20 to 23, we will be having 2 years for calculations. Okay, so first year will be assessment year 21-22, and second year will be assessment year 22 and 23. So let us have an example, simple example. we would be having opening balance recognized provident fund or national pension scheme or superannuation fund. The total is 21 lakhs. Okay, this is an opening balance. We are having closing balance over here. We are having employer's contribution and we have accretion. That is income accrued. That is 2,65,000. So let us go for the first year. The calculations will be same as we have done seen here. This will be same calculations for this. Let us take an example for this as well. Employer contribution is 9 lakh, okay, which we have taken from this. Employee, then your balance, opening balance, which we have taken this. Then accrued interest, which is this, and in excess of 7,50,000 is 1,50,000, which is your this amount 9 lakh, which is your employer's contribution minus 7,50,000, that is 1,50,000 is in excess of 7,50,000. So this will be the closing balance. And let us take an example that is average, that is opening plus closing divided by 2. This is an average. Simple, proportionate we can calculate. That is your इतना इनकम कमाया, ठीक है, एक्सेस कितना था इतना, उसको एवरेज ले लिया और अपना एवरेज जो टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन है. So this is okay. Now the second thing comes to assessment year 22-23. The same calculation would be done for assessment year 22-23 as well for current year only. Okay, so current year will be same formula will be used. That is, I have given the arrow current year, same formula will be used. So this will be simple. This was the income which has been earned. Okay, and this is an excess over 7,50,000, taking the average of it and dividing it by your average contributions, total contribution. Okay, this is the country. But however, if you see, we are having the amount which was contributed previous year by the employer. That is, 1,50,000 was contributed previous year by the employer, and in the current year as well, it has contributed amount of 2,35,000, which we have already calculated for the current year. For the previous year, which we are calculating now, is 1,50,000, which has been excess over 7,50,000, plus the employer's proportionate portion was 7,409. This was the amount which has been contributed by employer and accretion of income, which has been resulted into proportionate format. So we have taken this amount, okay, and divided by your average amount, and this will be your amount which you have earned in this year. So इस साल का भी हमने अगर देखें प्रोपोर्शनेट, तो ये भी निकाल सकते हैं पिछले साल में कितनी अमाउंट आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ी हुई थी इसकी. 1,25,000 ये आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ा था और 7,409 अमाउंट ये आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ा था. तो इस बार अगर हम देखें तो हमारे पास कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ा हुआ था. टोटल इज 1,50,000 एंड 7,409 इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर हमारे पास आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ा हुआ था. ठीक है, तो हमने स्टार्ट कर लिया, तो एवरेज बेसिस पे हमने इतना हमारे पास आउटस्टैंडिंग पड़ा हुआ एज ऑन क्लोजिंग डेट. सो इस पे इनकम कितनी आ जाएगी. तो इन दोनों को जो हम टोटल कर लेंगे तो 2,144 अमाउंट आ जाएगी, और दैट हैज बीन कैलकुलेटेड हियर आल्सो. ठीक है, सो दिस इज सिंपल फॉर्मूला दैट इज एग्रीगेट द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर ओवर 7,50,000. 7,50,000 के ऊपर कितनी अमाउंट थी, 1,50,000. ठीक है, एंड प्रोपोर्शनेट ऑफ एक्रूड इनकम, दैट इज प्रोपोर्शनेट ऑफ एक्रूड इनकम एक्सेप्ट फॉर द करंट ईयर, क्योंकि करंट ईयर की कैलकुलेशन हम अलग से कर रहे हैं, ये करंट ईयर कैलकुलेशन अलग से, इसलिए इसमें करंट ईयर नहीं जोड़ेंगे. फिर हमारे पास है एवरेज टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन इन फंड फॉर करंट ईयर ओनली. सो करंट ईयर. So I think these two formulas are very simple formulas. First one is very simple, that is just the proportionate of average contribution of employer over 7,50,000 and total contribution to the accrued income. And this one is also simple, where we will taking the previous year only. So I hope this is clear. Even if you feel any queries related to this, then you can just contact through the chat box. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.